Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day so far. You're gonna love today's episode. I'm gonna make your day extra sweet and chocolatey. We are gonna make the easiest and the most delicious chocolate brownies. It's everything you need. It's ever so lightly crispy on top, the perfect fudgy center, chewy and gooey in all the right places, and loaded with chocolate chips. I mean, it's pure chocolate heaven. Let's not delay any further. Let's get baking. Before we start making the brownie, the first step is to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and to line your baking pan. To do this, I'm just going to put some butter on the pan and then put one baking sheet like this. Add some butter here and put the other sheet like this. Ready. For the brownies, we need unsalted butter, brown sugar, caster sugar, flour, cocoa powder, eggs, chocolate chips, instant coffee, salt, and vanilla. First, we're going to melt the butter and then continue with the next step. Once the butter is melted, we're going to add it to our big mixing bowl. And then we're going to add brown sugar, and the caster sugar. And we're going to whisk thoroughly. The next step, we're going to add in our eggs and vanilla and gently whisk through. Whisk only until just combined. Don't be tempted to overmix because you don't want your brownies to be dense. Next, we're going to sift in our flour and cocoa powder. We're also going to add salt and instant coffee. I love adding coffee because it intensifies the chocolatiness of the brownie, but if you don't want to use it, you don't have to. And now we're going to gently fold in our ingredients. Now once our chocolate mixture has come together, it's time to add our star ingredient, 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. Here I'm using half cup each of 70% dark chocolate, 54% semi-sweet chocolate and milk chocolate. The combination of the three is what makes this brownie over the top. This recipe is so versatile because if you don't want so much chocolate, just keep 1.5 cups as the base and you can do 1 cup chocolate, half cup nuts, or 1 cup nuts and half cup chocolate, whatever you like. Now let's add these chocolate chips. And that's it, our brownie batter is ready. Once your mixture is ready, let's pour it into the pan. Now let's bake this brownie in your preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes, no more. Once you've removed the brownie from the oven, leave it to cool in its pan for about 3 to 4 hours or overnight. I like to leave mine overnight because it really improves the texture the next day. Now let's cut it and see how fudgy it is. Can you see how fudgy it is? All your chocolate chips. Ooh. Oh my god. This is so good, guys. You have to make it. Like right now. Go, go. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. As I'm saying goodbye, I hope you're measuring your ingredients to make these delicious brownies. When you do make them, don't forget to tag me at Infinity Platter on Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on all my future recipes and adventures. Until next time.